Hey, what's happening, guys? Coming at you with another frequently asked question video. This one's gonna be number 25, but first, have you tried this roll-on? If you haven't, you should, because it is amazing. I don't go anywhere without this. Be sure to check it out at cbdfitrecovery.com or by clicking the link in the description below. All right, so let's get into another frequently asked questions video. If you don't know about these, if you ask a question in my comment section of my videos, we always try to go back and find them and answer them for you. So we're gonna start off with Mr. Motor City Dobbs. He says, I got a question, JP. I want to do a decent system in my car. Should I go with what? I wanted to go at 3/8 because of what they're doing in the 8-inch subs. An hour, it's amazing. I'm thinking he's doing voice to text. He botched his question. Or do you think it would sound better with one really good 12? If so, what speakers, either way, would you go with? I mean, you could do either one. You could do 3X8s and a JP33 or Assault 3 on them, or you could do a single X, like somebody recommended an XV312. You could do an XV2 or XV312 with the same power on there, JP33 or a Assault 3 on either one of those systems. I think for the cool factor, the 3/8s would be cooler, so I would probably go with the 3/8 system, but either one of them would be great. All right, up next we have Adam Norwood, my boy over there in Tennessee. Question: I got a new 370 amp alternator and excess power D3100 and a big 3 kit. I'm running the JP23 at 1 ohm. Why does my meter still slam from 14.3 to 11.7, sometimes lower? Man, that's crazy for you to have so much draw or drawdown on a electrical like that. It shouldn't be doing that. If I would want to make sure that you have a good belt on there and you're not getting belt slip, because belt slip is one of the worst contributors to bad voltage. So make sure your belt is not slipping. Make sure you put a smaller belt on there. Anytime you put a high performance alternator on a vehicle, well, usually it comes with a smaller pulley, so you need to put a smaller belt on there so you can get good traction on that. Because if you're slipping, you're tripping, man. You're not getting any power out of your alternator to your batteries like you need to, so that could definitely cause that. But other than that, your electrical should be pretty solid with that setup. Up next, we have Brandon Zeller. What's up, JP? I have a question. I will be getting a single Crossfire C7 V315 wired to 1 ohm and was wondering if a DEFCON's 2K would be enough or if I should get a 3K. PS, love the videos, man. Those cells are rated at 1600 watts RMS, so you could easily do the 2K. I would probably personally do a 3K. JP33 in this instance would be a great fit for that as well. Give you plenty of headroom, don't clip it any, you should be fine. So that's what I would recommend. Up next we have DJ Zach31. Does a base killer work by itself, or would I still need a crossover to run components? If you're running components, I would definitely, I'm not exactly sure what you're talking about, base killer. Maybe a base blocker or something. But if you're looking at running a component set, like a mid and a tweeter separately, I would definitely do a crossover on that. You could fine tune it way better than not having that at all. So I would definitely recommend getting a crossover. Appreciate you guys joining me in another frequently asked questions segment. If you have any questions, be sure to drop them below in the comment section and I'll try to answer them if I can get around to them. But as always, I appreciate your support at downforsoundshop.com, your #1 source for all of your car audio needs. Home of the Down for Sound difference. Guaranteed lowest prices, fastest shipping, best customer service. And we have 4 different types of same-as cash financing on the website under the financing tab. So be sure to check that out. Until next time, we'll see you later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Life of Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.